Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the algebraic inequality problem where we have to find the greatest value of xy. So this is from Math Olympiad question of Singapore. Okay, so first before finding out the greatest possible value of xy, we need to find the range of values for x and y. Okay, so the given inequality for y is minus 11 less than or equal to y plus 3 less than or equal to 3. Okay, so if we want to isolate y, okay, what we will do, we will subtract 3 from each term. Okay, so minus 11 minus 3 less than or equal to y plus 3 minus 3 less than or equal to 3 minus 3. So after simplification it will be minus 14 y minus 14 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 0. So what is the range of y? It's minus 14 to 0, both inclusive. Okay, and range of range of x, which is we already have that 0 is less than 0 is less than x is less than 8. So this is not inclusive. So range of x will be 1 to 7. So if you see the range of y, each number is negative except 0, and for x it's positive. So if we take any combination, for example, which is not 0 minus 1 into the value of x, anything, 2, it will be negative. Huh? It will be negative 2 minus 2. So because the multiplication of any number with one is positive and one is negative, it will be always negative. So we will take the highest possible value for y. So what is the highest possible value for y? Is 0. Okay, and 0 into any value of x will be 0. So 0 is greater than any negative value. So our answer is 0, that is option C. Okay. For such amazing Math Olympiad programs, questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.